Massachusetts is home to some of the best colleges and universities anywhere in the country, and Mass Bay Community College is one of them at a fraction of the cost. So if you're looking to go to school, listen up. We're with Lisa from Mass Bay Community College. Lisa, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you for coming to Mass Bay.
Now, what makes Mass Bay so special?
So I think what makes us so special is actually what's in our name, community. You know, we're part of the community. We work with our K-12 partners, we work with other four-year colleges and universities, businesses, community healthcare centers that we work with regularly.
Well, we have to talk about some of the programs that are available here.
Well, you have a few to pick from. We have over 70 different programs. We are a two-year school, so we offer certificate programs and associate degrees. So you can come in for one semester and complete something, or be here for 2 full years and complete a program. Students are leaving Mass Bay with no debt, and we are the most affordable college option for students considering going to school.
A great example of what you can do with a Mass Bay degree is open your own business, like Dominique, who opened a salon.
I opened La Boutique in March 2015. We're coming up on 4 years in business, which is super exciting.
Tell me about your experiences at Mass Bay.
I had a really awesome experience at Mass Bay. When I decided to start taking classes there, I was working as a full-time stylist building my clientele, so I was able to take classes while still working full-time and get a quality and affordable education.
When I graduated from college, I had so much student debt. Looking back, if I had done it all over again, I easily would have signed up for something like this and saved so much money.
All of our students are so committed, whether they are a mother who's working and has to take care of her family and go to school. A lot of our students are working full-time, part-time jobs, so they're coming here either on the weekends or taking classes online, but they're determined and committed to get their degree.
I definitely feel like Mass Bay gave me the skill set and the confidence to open my own business.
So no matter where your career path may take you, you could be an engineer, a television personality, or maybe even a salon owner, Mass Bay can give you the foundation to get started.